Imagine a woman named Claire. She stands at 5'2". In the before picture, she's swimming in her clothes. A boxy, oversized blazer hitting mid-thigh hides her waist completely. Underneath, a loose, untucked tunic top falls almost to the same length, creating a single, shapeless block of fabric. Her jeans are a low-rise bootcut style, pooling around her chunky sneakers and visually shortening her legs. She looks lost, overwhelmed by her outfit, as if she borrowed clothes from someone a foot taller. It's a common story, a daily reality for so many petite women who feel fashion just isn't made for them. Now, let's look at the after picture. It's the same Claire, but she looks like a completely different person. Taller, more confident, effortlessly chic. She's wearing a beautifully tailored blazer that is slightly cropped, ending right at her natural waistline. Her top is a simple, fitted knit, neatly tucked into high-waisted straight-leg jeans that create an unbroken line from her waist to her ankle. The jeans have no break, ending just above a pair of pointed-toe kitten heels that elongate her leg line. The entire look is intentional. It honors her frame instead of hiding it. This isn't magic, it's the power of understanding petite proportions. An estimated 90% of petite women are making fundamental style mistakes that actively work against their frames. They choose pieces that are too long, too voluminous, or have details that are simply out of scale. It's about where the waist hits, where the shoulder seams sit, the size of the pockets, and the scale of the print. In 2025, petite styling is more important than ever. If this is resonating so far, like the video and subscribe for more petite styling guides. One of the most powerful concepts in art, photography, and, yes, fashion is the rule of thirds. Visual diagram showing rule of thirds on a petite model. 1/3 top, 2/3 bottom versus 1/2, 1/2. Imagine your body is divided into 3 equal sections from head to toe. The most visually pleasing and elongating way to dress is to create a 1/3 to 2/3 proportion with your outfit. High-waisted pants, skirts, shorts paired with a cropped top or a full tuck will visually raise your waistline and lengthen your legs. This simple switch tricks the eye into seeing a more elongated, vertical silhouette. The second option is to reverse it. Make your top portion the 2/3 and your bottom portion the 1/3. Mini dress, tunic over leggings, long line cardigan over a shorter skirt. The shorter portion must show off your legs to maintain length. This can create a very modern, chic look, but the 1/3 top to 2/3 bottom ratio remains the most foolproof. Most women fall into one of 5 main categories. Apple carries weight around the middle. Goal, create a waistline and highlight those great legs. Pear, wider at the hips with a smaller bust. Styling should draw attention upward and balance the lower body. Hourglass, well-defined waist. Key, accentuate that waist with belts, fitted pieces, and high rises. Rectangle, similar bust hip. Focus on creating curves with peplums, ruching, and belted jackets. Inverted triangle, broader shoulders. Aim to add volume to the lower body with flares and A-lines. Knowing your body shape allows you to go beyond generic petite advice and start making strategic choices. If you want a downloadable quick measure guide, tap the link in the description. Many petite women unknowingly sabotage their style with a few common repeated mistakes. Mistake 1. Drowning in oversized everything. The oversized trend can be tricky. Drowning your frame in fabric will make you look smaller. The fix? Be strategic. Oversized top with slim bottoms or wide leg trousers with a fitted tuck top. Mistake 2. The midi length trap. Skirts and dresses that end at the mid-calf chop the leg. Choose hemlines that are either short, above the knee, or long maxi length grazing the ankle or floor. Always aim to show off the ankle, the slimmest part of your leg, and prefer ankle-length or full-length tailored styles. Mistake 3. Large-scale prints and out-of-scale details that overwhelm a small frame. Fix. Scale down, microflorals, pinstripes, narrow lapels, medium-small handbags, and slim belts. The other 4 mistakes are wearing horizontal lines that widen, poor footwear like chunky boots, neglecting a good tailor, and choosing stiff, bulky fabrics. The fixes are straightforward. Choose vertical stripes, pointed-toe shoes, or low-cut vamps. Find a great tailor, and pick drapey fabrics like jersey, silk, and lightweight knits. Correcting these 7 mistakes will instantly elevate your style. Remember, proportions, hemline, pattern scale, tailored fit, vertical lines, footwear, and fabrics. For shoes, pointed toe, low-cut vamp, and nude to you colors elongate most effectively. Avoid chunky or contrasting ankle straps. Accessories. Choose medium structured bags, slim belts, and delicate jewelry so the accessories complement your frame rather than overpower it. Small adjustments add up. If you want detailed tutorials on tucks and tailoring, check the playlist linked in the description. Up next, your everyday petite playbook. Practical outfits you can build today. To consistently create flattering looks, you need a playbook. Create vertical lines, embrace high-waisted basics, and try monochromatic dressing. Vertical stripes, pinstripes, button plackets, and center zippers draw the eye up and down. V-necks and long pendants elongate the neck and torso. Use them often. High-waisted everything, pants, skirts, shorts, paired with full tucks or cropped tops raises your waistline and lengthens legs. Master the full tuck, the French tuck, and the side tuck. Each creates a different vibe while keeping proportions flattering. Cropped jackets and sweaters ending at your natural waist create shape and honor proportions. Monochromatic dressing creates an unbroken vertical line. Vary tones and textures to add interest without breaking height. Mix silk, cashmere, and tailored wool to keep a look sophisticated and tactile. A tonal cream outfit reads streamlined and elongating on petite frames. Before you buy, take your key measurements. Inseam, torso length, sleeve length. Save them in your phone. On product pages, check model heights, read petite reviews, and look for fit model info. Prioritize petite sizing for structured items, but consider regular sizes for cropped pieces or stretchy dresses that you will tuck. Top picks for 2025 include Petite Studio, ASOS, Petite, J.Crew, Banana Republic, Ann Taylor, plus trend-forward picks like Abercrombie and Topshop Petite. Invest in tailored blazers, quality jeans, and coats. Save on trendy pieces. Factor in alteration costs. 2025 trends that flatter petites, color drenching, sculpted tailoring, and maxi lengths done right in fluid fabrics. Sculpted denim, high waist straight or slim flare, works beautifully. Your styling efforts shouldn't stop at your clothes. For hair, draw the eye upward, a chic top knot, a high pony, or a bit of crown volume. Shorter cuts like a sharp bob or pixie expose the neck. Long hair can work if layered to avoid overwhelming your face. Makeup should enhance, define brows, highlight cheek tops and nose bridge, and use upward lifting techniques around the eyes. A subtle cat eye and a bright lower lash line keep eyes open and focused upward. Use vertical necklaces and delicate drop earrings. A long pendant on a V-neck elongates effectively. Bags should be proportionate. Choose small to medium structured bags or crossbodies adjusted to the waist, not huge totes that overwhelm. Shoes, pointed toes, low-cut vamps, and nude to you shades extend the leg line. Avoid chunky boots and heavy silhouettes that weigh you down. Avoid ankle straps that cut the leg unless they're very thin and nude-colored. Building a petite capsule wardrobe is the ultimate empowerment, a small collection of high-quality, perfectly fitting essentials. Start with a perfectly tailored blazer in black, navy, or camel, petite fit or altered for your shoulders and waist. Add impeccable high-waisted dark wash jeans in straight or slim flare cuts, plus high-waisted trousers in black, gray, or navy. Tops, V-necks, a petite button-down, fine knit sweaters, and a silk camisole. These layer well under blazers or tuck into high-waist bottoms. Stick to neutrals, black, white, gray, navy, camel, and add 1 or 2 accent colors via accessories. Office, trousers plus camisole plus blazer. Event, slip skirt plus camisole plus heels. Weekend, high-waist jeans plus tee plus blazer. Quality and fit over quantity. If it doesn't make you feel amazing or can't be tailored, don't buy it. Start with one look that makes you feel amazing. Wear it, notice how you feel, and celebrate the small wins. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more petite style guides and fashion inspiration. See you in the next one.